Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your Solana from Trust Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done, that's to withdraw your Solana from Trust Wallet. Your first step, or the most important step you need to take, is locating the Solana itself. If you cannot find the Solana on the crypto page, all you need to do is simply search for the Solana. So SOL, Sol. Click on the Solana option, that's the mainnet Solana. Click on this Solana and you can find the amount of Solana you have. Now, your next step is to simply click on the send option. And what we're going to do is we're going to simply minimize, open up our Binance because we're going to be depositing our Solana on Binance. Once Binance has opened up, click on the deposit icon at the top of the screen. Once you've clicked on this option, click on Sol, and the network we're going to be working with is the main net. So click on this Solana option, simply copy its address. You can view more details if you'd want, such as the minimum deposit and the network confirmation. Once you've copied this, minimize, open up your Trust Wallet. With Trust Wallet opened up, paste the wallet address, the amount you wish to send, click on next, and simply click on confirm. So once you've selected confirm, you simply enter your passcode and the Solana would then be sent over to your Binance, which you could confirm its arrival by heading over to the Binance platform once more, doing a simple reload, and heading over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you're dropped at the overview, which houses all of your cryptocurrency assets. And you can simply scroll to your spot or funding wallet, depending on where your Solana is meant to be deposited. And boom, Solana. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.